Yeah, okay, mate. Let's look here. XVG got in. Beautiful, beautiful entry. I mean, good entry anyway. At least you got in just as it's breaking out above this line here, above this resistance point. So it is well played on your part. Now, in the past, it has been a pump and dump coin. You're up 150%. Sometimes it's okay to take profits on that. I'm not saying it can't go higher, but if we move this here, well, we can see exactly where the resistance is. It's not going to be easy to break through that. This may need a substantial bit of consolidation or something to break through there. Now, I'm not saying it's going to take huge consolidation. Like, I've probably drew that way too big, but I'm just saying that this is not easy to break through. So it might, obviously what you don't want is you don't want this and you don't want this. It's been a pump and dump coin. So like, this coin's been around for a long time. Is this the Verge back from 2018? I'm not sure why it's a new chart here. 1 second. Yeah. I think I was right on it. Still loading. Yeah. So look. So you can see here. I mean, it's a up 150%. It's into this massive neckline. The thing is, if this is a real bull market, right? You can see what happened last time. Like when it broke out last time, right into here. For example, let's just look at it. So if it's going to be a real move, you would expect something similar. Big move up, you'd expect some sort of dip, giving back a lot of your profits before then trying to break higher again. You can see the way it kind of progressed. The other thing is, if it's a real breakout, you may need to anticipate. This is a 3-day chart, by the way. So this move here, right? So you can see the large consolidation. I mean, something like that could be bullish, and it could actually start off a big move. Now, it's already got something like that on the daily from memory. See here, and then it got a break up. Now, you had the same here last time, and it broke up, but the bull market wasn't ready yet. If we're in a real market here, well, you'd expect some more downside here probably, and then you'd expect to see continuation in theory, at least. So you're taking a gamble on it because it's one of those pump and dump coins. Is this the real alt season? Well, if it is, maybe you might get continuation to the upside. I mean, ideally, this is exactly what you want to see. In the thought process that we could get other moves like that. Like, a lot of these old coins are running. EOS, Litecoin, XRP, XLM. All the old coins are running. This is one of the old shit coins, a true old shit coin in theory, but they are running. So the theory is that at the moment, those old coins, dino coins, if you want to call them, are pretty hot, to be honest. And the thought process would be that this is a breakout, a potential real breakout. So it's a 2-week candle. I didn't mean to say that that's going to go higher on a new 2-week candle. I mean, the market would need to be extremely hot to go higher on a 2-week candle like that. But you can see, if we go back here, like, there's a lot of these wicks, and then it continues higher. So it's bullish wicks in an uptrend. What happened the time before that? Well, we didn't really get a chance because we just absolutely went crazy parabolic. I would suggest that you need to expect bullish wicks in an uptrend if this bullish market is going to continue, right? That's a decent move. The hope is that it continues. Now, nobody knows for sure here, of course, coming into a new year, because new yearly candles can flip markets on their head and they can start doing the opposite. But so far, this is promising, right? You have to think it's promising. So far, it's it's the only time it's broke out above moving averages. The last time it broke above moving averages, it continued to go higher. So you want to see it holding above the red 200 and above the white first. Of course, it may dip back below this purple here, but you want to see these bottom two holding, which is in around your buy point. The red 200 is a bit above your buy point. So, maybe you want to have a break-even stop on it. Or whatever, I don't know if that's what you want to do, but like, I don't personally use stop losses in my spot positions, but that's just me. And then I manually, I've got a manual stop. I'll look at it and I'll know where I'm getting out if this is not good. But at this point, you have to think that there's a chance, right, that this breakout is similar to this breakout, and that's on a monthly basis, so meaning that you're probably going to have to wait until the new year and then see if we can get more continuation to the upside. Okay, so that's the way I would be looking at it at the moment, is a strong candle. It's probably going to require waiting until January, I would suggest. The 3-month candle also is, pretty strong. My alarms are going off here. The market must be dropping. So yeah, I think, if you're going to hold this, you need to be prepared. Obviously, watch your break-even point around there. But I would be trying to follow the monthly candles to see if you can get something kind of similar here on a breakout in January. Anyway, mate, yeah, I hope you're well, and have a good weekend.